egg and cheese.
Melting the butter for our egg.
What season are you using?
We have garlic powder, we have onion powder, and we want to add some black pepper to it.
Black pepper.
Some black pepper up in there.
You're using 6 eggs to feed 4 people. Guys, we have crumbled our sausage up. Make sure you beat them eggs.
Alright, so we're adding our eggs to the pan. Scramble these up real good.
And we're adding our sausage. You don't want your eggs to cook all the way. You want to add it, the sausage while they're cooking, so it'll bind it together. That way you don't have to worry about adding eggs and adding the sausage. You want to cook it together. Guys, it don't take much. Minute breakfast at the most. Stop being lazy and feed them kids.
Spray that pan with the Pam. Just a little bit, guys. Just a little bit. Spray that pan. You can add some bell peppers or whatever you want. For this purpose right now, we're just doing
Simple breakfast quesadillas.
cooks fast, guys, so go ahead and
But not least, for whatever reason, he decided to be extra cheesy on this one, stingy with the rest, and then said this is it. Ain't that something? Breakfast Quesadillas. Sausage, egg,